So as you know, I'm 7'1". My baby's in the 99th percentile of height, and I need to give her a little lesson here. So we're never going to stop growing, really, like unless snow actually makes us stop growing. But we live in Atlanta, so. Yeah, I don't know what to do. It's fun, but we're not going to grow anymore. I know it's. All right, let's go in the snow. It's supposed to be a funny video, but we love the snow. Whoa! Yeah, there it is. Okay, so cold. Let's go inside. We're never gonna grow again. Yeah, I don't know what to do.